How to fix Windows Defender error 0x8007139f on Windows 11 10s. To fix Windows Defender error 0x8007139f on Windows 11 10s, try 1. Run SFC scan as admin. 2. Disable/remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, third-party security software, if any. 3. Check Windows Defender service in services.msc. 4. Run Microsoft Defender from command line. %program files %\Windows Defender \mpcmd_run.exe %program files %\Windows Defender \mpcmd_run.exe signature update 5. Google how to reset Windows Defender registry key. 6. Google how to repair Windows Defender.